Ready to test your knowledge? Only a true master can conquer all rounds. Round number 1. What is the study of plants called? Botany. Ready for more? How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. Ready for a new round? What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. On to the next. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Are you on fire? Let's go. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Next one. In which country is the Taj Mahal? India. Here's the next question. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? 32. Almost there, final question ahead. Who painted The Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh. Can you guess this one? What is the largest organ of the nervous system? Brain. Here comes the next one. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. Final chance, are you ready? Round number 2. What language has the most native speakers? Mandarin. Moving on. Which ancient wonder still exists today? Great Pyramid. How much can you score? Which planet do we live on? Earth. Let's dive into the next one. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight on skin? Vitamin D. On to the next. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Let's see how fast you can answer this. How many continents are there? 7. Here's a tricky one. Which element makes up most of Earth's core? Iron. Last one, make it count. What is the speed of Earth's rotation at the equator? 1037 mph. Let's keep it rolling. What year did World War II end? 1945. Can you guess this one? What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Let's wrap it up with the final one. Round number 3. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific Ocean. Can you guess this one? Which gas do plants absorb from the air? Carbon dioxide. Can you guess this one? What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Let's keep it rolling. What colors are on the Olympic rings? Blue, yellow, black, green, red. How did you do? Let's see the next one. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Are you getting better? Next. What is the capital of Spain? Madrid. Did you get it right? What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa. Here's the final hurdle. What gas is used to fill balloons and airships due to its low density? Helium. Let's dive into the next one. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Can you handle the next level? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Last but not least, round number 4. Which sport is known as the king of sports? Soccer. Is your brain ready for the next one? Which planet has a famous red spot? Jupiter. Did you get it right? What planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Are you ready for the final stretch? What is the coldest planet in our solar system? Neptune. Ready for more? How many players are on a soccer team on the field? 11. Let's power through. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Ready to challenge yourself even more? What is the study of weather called? Meteorology. You're doing great. On to the next. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 100. Are you ready for the final stretch? What is the unit of electrical resistance? Ohm. Next question coming your way. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Here it is, the final stretch. Round number 5. What is the capital of France? Paris. Is your brain ready for the next one? Which instrument measures air pressure? Barometer. Ready to ace this one. Which continent is Egypt in? Africa. The last question coming up. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. Is your brain ready for the next one? Who wrote The Great Gatsby? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Here's the next question. How many legs does a spider have? 8. You're doing amazing. Here's another one. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Are you on fire? Let's go. What is the rarest blood type? Ob negative. Here it is, the final stretch. What is the Goldbach conjecture about? Even numbers. You're doing great. On to the next. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. Let's go out with a bang. Final question. Round number 6. Who wrote The Origin of Species? Charles Darwin. Are you ready for the next question? What is the human body's largest muscle? Gluteus maximus. Here's the next question. Which country invented paper? China. Here it is, the final stretch. Who discovered radioactivity? Henry Becquerel. Can you handle the next level? Who invented calculus? Newton and Leibniz. Next, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Let's keep it rolling. Which mountain range runs through South America? Andes. Here's the next question. Who developed the general theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Time for the final challenge. What is the speed of light in vacuum, km/s? 300,000. You're doing great. On to the next. Who proposed the theory of plate tectonics? Alfred Wegener. Last but not least, round number 7. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. Ready to ace this one. What is the largest species of penguin? Emperor. Next up, let's see what you got. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Almost there. Final question ahead. In what year was DNA structure discovered? 1953. Let's dive into the next one. Which blood type is a universal donor? O negative. Let's keep the momentum going. What is the pH of pure water at room temperature? 7.0. On to the next challenge. What is the study of blood called? Hematology. Let's continue. Which element has the atomic number 1? Hydrogen. Can you finish strong? Final question. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Inca. Are you getting better? Next. What country has the most official languages? Zimbabwe. Here's the final hurdle. Round number 8. What is the largest moon in our solar system? Ganymede. On to the next. What element does O represent on the periodic table? Oxygen. Can you get this right? Which particle has a negative charge? Electron. Are you ready for the final stretch? Who discovered the neutron? James Chadwick. Can you guess this one? Which physicist coined the term black hole? John Wheeler. Next challenge up. What is the half-life of carbon-14? 57, 30 years. Next challenge up. Which scientist proposed the uncertainty principle? Werner Heisenberg. Let's keep the momentum going. Which mathematician is known for the last theorem? Fermat. How did you do? Let's see the next one. What is the Planck constant? 6.626 x 10. Ready to ace this one. What is Euler's number E? 2.71828. The last question coming up. Round number 9. What is the longest river in Europe? Volga. How much can you score? In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989. Keep going. What is the atomic mass number of gold? 197. Time for the final challenge. Who discovered the structure of the atom? Ernest Rutherford. On to the next. What is the strong nuclear force? Nuclear binding. Did you get it right? What is the half-life of uranium-238? 4.468 billion years. Let's see how fast you can answer this. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. Let's see how fast you can answer this. Who formulated the laws of thermodynamics? Rudolf Clausius. Let's move on. What is the Casimir effect? Quantum vacuum force. You're doing amazing. Here's another one. What is the name of the deepest oceanic trench? Mariana Trench. Let's wrap it up with the final one. Round number 10. What is the study of earthquakes called? Seismology. Is your brain ready for the next one? What is the chemical symbol for silver? Egg. Keep going. What percentage of Earth's surface is water? 71. Are you ready for the final stretch? What is the speed of sound in air, ms? 343. Don't stop now. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Wellington. Don't stop now. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. Here it is, the final stretch. Who discovered the double helix structure of DNA? Watson and Crick. Ready to challenge yourself even more. What is the mass of an electron? 9.1 x 10 kg. Next up, let's see what you got. Who composed the Four Seasons? Vivaldi. Keep going. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element? Uranium. Congratulations on completing the ultimate knowledge challenge. How many rounds did you conquer?